hoping new love would come and find me one day.
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It has been forever since I have vlogged. I actually took the last month off, which I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who's reached out to me. I had a bit of a breakdown, but I am feeling so much better, and really just taking that time off for myself and just to like reconnect with my family and just take a break. It felt so good, but I wanted to go ahead and restart up vlogging. So we are going to be starting with Ezra's birthday. So today we are just going to be going through some of the party prep. I have been ordering stuff since quarantine started because I knew things were getting crazy, and I was not disappointed. I mean, I guess disappointed. I'm going to embrace the fact that I was disappointed. My original plan was to surprise my family and take them to Disneyland. I have like rewards credit cards, which if you use them correctly, they benefit you. So I had one credit card that I would use for like Amazon purchases, gas, like small things, and then I'd pay it off, and it directly went to like Disney rewards. I had enough points to get us into Disney for free. So I was going to surprise the family. Like, my little card came in the mail and it's just sitting there. We can't use it because Disney's closed. But I wanted to do like a whole like 4 a.m. wake up the family. Like, we're gonna drive down to Disney for 2 days for Ezra's first birthday, because if you guys don't know, he's a Star Wars baby, and I thought it'd be really cool to like spend it at Galaxy's Edge, because Eric and I haven't been to Disneyland since high school, which I graduated like 15 years ago, and Eric graduated like 7 years before that. And Aria's never went, and we were the type of parents, like, Aria wasn't really into Disney. She's getting more into it now, but we just knew like taking Aria when she was younger, when they can get in for free and stuff, it was gonna be a waste of money no matter what, because she's not the type of kid to really like enjoy theme parks. Like, we've tried to take her to like things like zoos and stuff like that, and she's just over it after 30 minutes. And Disney's very expensive for a kid to be over it in 30 minutes. So I just thought it'd be really cool just to like go down for literally a day just to get into Galaxy's Edge. Ezra can take some pictures in his first birthday shirt with some of the characters from Star Wars and things like that. So we are doing a Star Wars theme though, because one, I had the stuff from like our baby showers and stuff, and it was just easier to do, especially with the quarantine. I couldn't get out to stores like Party City and do what I wanted to do, which was the Mr. Wonderful theme. So we are doing the Star Wars theme because we are all in a quarantine in a galaxy far, far away, it feels like. Today I just need to go through everything and see exactly what I've purchased, because I have no idea. They're all like just sitting in boxes in my room downstairs. So I need to go through that, see exactly what I have, what I'm missing, if I need to go back out to the store. We grabbed most of the baking stuff from Walmart yesterday. I had to order a week in advance. It's been so crazy, you guys, but I'm sure you know. So I think I have everything, and then I'm going to try. I've never done this before. I don't even know why I'm going to try to attempt it today, but I'm going to try to make a mirror glazed cake. I did Aria's cake and I fell in love with that process of just creating her own birthday cake, and this is going to be Ezra's smash cake. And then we're going to obviously do our balloon arch if I have the balloons. I don't even know if I have all the balloons. That's the process today. So first thing is go through everything, see what I have, bake a cake, and do a balloon arch.
Oh, I never.
You want the box? We got you all of these toys and you just want a box? Okay, but because of the shortage of baking supplies lately at quarantine, I just am doing a box cake. So Aria wanted a chocolate cake, and then for his smash cake, we're gonna do this. I was watching somebody else and it was so smart. They put paper at the bottom of their pans, and lately I've been having issues with my cakes breaking. So I think I'm gonna do that, which I normally don't, but hopefully this will help the cake come out of the pans without breaking.
Get in my way. Caught me off guard and you took me back.
Okay, what do we need? What does that say?
1 cup of milk.
Close. 1 cup of
Water.
She has been reading on her own, and I'm so proud of her. When it has a line, that means half. So yeah, half a cup of vegetable oil. Very good. Okay, and then what does that say?
3 cups of eggs.
3 eggs. So we definitely have not been doing like traditional homeschooling, but I do things like that. So like when we're out on walks, I'll have her spell like the signs, like the stop sign. She's actually spelled school, like the school sign, and I had no idea, and she like read it out. If we're cooking like this, I'll have her like read things. So it's very like untraditional teaching, but it works.
Took me by surprise.
Okay, let mommy start it, okay? We want to make it even, so you go one at a time. So just go one.
Can you visualize? It's hard.
One more. That's 3. That's 4.
Okay.
It's so hard to say all the things I want to.
I brought out my professional cake baking stuff when I'm not a professional. I don't know if any other mom inspires to be like those cutesy little housewives, I guess. I don't know. I try. They're just like natural at it. And
that's what they
I
want.
feel like I'm not always natural at it. I have to try really hard to be like creative and like that cute mom. Basically, that was just saying if anyone else feels like they're just failing in the cute mom category, you're not alone. Okay, so the cake is finished cooling down. Once you take the top off, the inside's still a little hot. So I'm gonna make the fresh buttercream so I can coat everything, because you can't do a mirror glaze by itself. It needs to be on top of a buttercream. Okay, so we need 2 cups of softened butter. It's better if you like leave it out, but I forgot. So I just put it in the microwave. I softened for, I did 1 minute and then I kind of flipped them around. I did another minute. I moved her so you guys can see. Then I do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We just have a simply organic vanilla extract. It doesn't need to be fancy. It could be anything. Then we're just going to do 1 tablespoon of milk. Again, it could be any milk. I do try to stick to like cow's milk just because sometimes almond milk and coconut milk can be too thin or watery, so I just stick with this. If you're trying to do non-dairy milk, oats milk would be better because it's a little thicker. And then we're just going to do 6 cups of powdered sugar.
You get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look.
Okay, so I just put the cake with the buttercream in the refrigerator. It is not smooth at all. If you start to overwork with buttercream, it starts to warm up and you can't really do anything with it. So if you let it cool down in the fridge and then you take a different type of spatula that's like specifically for spreading, it'll spread it a lot smoother. Okay, so not only have I never done a mirror glaze cake before, I have to try to turn evaporated milk into condensed milk because they accidentally gave me the wrong one. I have to say the hardest thing throughout this quarantine, besides just my anxiety being high, is not being able to grocery shop by myself, because I'm very particular on like how I like things, like what to grab, and I feel like I can't even meal prep the same. Like it's just not the same. So I wish I would have looked at this sooner. We got these yesterday and it was just my fault for assuming. I mean, unless you're actually reading it, it's kind of hard to miss. So yeah, they said you can turn it into condensed milk by adding sugar to it. So I have a recipe online, so it's gonna be like an extra step. I mean, it's just for us. There's no party. I don't know why I'm stressed. It's just a small hiccup. Okay, I just went through the smoothing process again. I had to eventually just use my hands. This is just a strawberry poking out. The top was really hard, so I basically just lightly rubbed. The heat of my hand was like perfect to smooth it. Obviously, if you're doing this for different people, you wouldn't want to use your hands, but I mean, it's just us, so.
But it's hard to say all
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Come on.
So nervous.
Come on.
Okay, I'm a professional, everyone. Also, I want this to be the thumbnail, so fingers crossed we can get it on the first try. Are we ready? Should I take it off?
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Whatever, ready? 1, 2, 3, we're pouring. Oh, did I just do it?
Nope.
No!
It's too thin.
Oh,
Can we let it like chill for a little bit?
it looks so pretty.
Can we chill for a
No,
little bit?
it's supposed to like, it looked good going on at first. Okay, I'm kind of glad I did this today because I have tomorrow to figure this out, but I'm exhausted from just everything not being right to start out with, and there was a lot of math that went into trying to convert like gelatin sheets to gelatin powder to condensed milk to evaporated milk. My brain is fried, but we at least appreciate the sheen on that mirror glaze. Like if it would stick to the cake, it would actually be really pretty. So it looks like I may have not let it, like the gelatin settle long enough. So we're just gonna let it sit and then try again tomorrow morning. Okay guys, it is not perfect. It's not as thick as I wanted it to. Like on the sides you can really tell, but on the top, like you can see the camera. How crazy is that? Okay, update, splatters did not work, and I think I just need to put this in the fridge, so we're good.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Okay, so we have him in here so we can set up everything for today. Eric is blowing up the balloons with his mouth because I thought we had an air compressor. I'm gonna help him right now. I remember last year doing this. It was like during our baby shower. To do the balloon arch was the first time using it, and my parents were here helping me, but for some reason I was in charge of blowing up the balloons, and I was like 8 months pregnant. And when you're 8 months pregnant, you can't breathe like just walking or talking, and they thought like me blowing up the balloons for a balloon arch was gonna be a good idea. So I'm glad I'm not pregnant this time while I'm doing this. Okay, I'm pretty sure we are pretty much done. The only thing I have to do is like tomorrow the food and stuff, which I don't know if you guys have ever like stayed at the Disney like resorts, but I remember growing up, my parents used to go to Disney like every single year. It got to the point where I was sick of Disney. But one thing I really did like was we would stay at one of like the hotels at the Disney, like inside the park, and we would get to go downstairs and have breakfast with the characters, and they always had this little waffle bar. And so I remember going with like Minnie and Daisy, and they would take me up to the waffle bar, and then they would cook the waffles fresh for you. Like it was just such a cool experience. So we're doing that tomorrow, and of course a Star Wars themed waffle bar. Look at my husband cleaning up my mess. So I got these for Eric. So one is a Millennium Falcon, and then we have a Death Star. I got these off of Amazon. I thought they were so cute. It says, "May the fork be with you." The only bad thing is like the balloons right here, so it's not perfectly set up. And then I did get fresh fruit and stuff that we can put on top of the waffle, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow as well. All right, say we're going to see you tomorrow for my birthday. Yeah. Yeah. Say thanks for watching us decorate. All right, guys. I'm gonna go cry my eyes out now. Oh God, I'm sorry. Wow. On that note, we will see you for his birthday special on Wednesday, huh? Say bye. Bye-bye.